You can geo-target multiple ISPs at the same time with Proxyrack proxies by making a simple change to your username wherever you've configured your proxies. So that could be in code, it could be in your browser, it could be in a program or an application. Basically, wherever you are asked for your username and your API key, this is where you would make that change. So I can show you an example. I have my username and API key already copied over here. And we need to make this change after our username. So if you've seen our other videos on geo-targeting, you may have seen the dash syntax. We can't use the dash syntax here. We have to use the semicolon syntax. So we can say semicolon country equals, and we'll say US, and then we'll say ISP, or sorry, first a semicolon, and then ISP equals, and this is where you would list the different ISP names separated by a comma. So we'd say Verizon, comma, we'll say Comcast, and we'll say Sprint as the last one. So this is just 3 ISP names. You can geo-target more if you'd like. You can geo-target less if you'd like. Just make sure that each ISP name is separated by a comma, like you see here. And then if you've watched our other videos on geo-targeting, you'll also know that when we use the semicolon syntax, we need to encapsulate everything in quotation marks for it to work correctly. And then we can do this in our dashboard as well. So you can see here, we can configure our proxy list however we'd like. And so let's add the username and password API key to this. And then we do the same thing. We can just come in here and say semicolon country equals US, and then ISP equals Verizon, comma, Comcast, comma, Sprint. And then again, we just want to make sure that everything is encapsulated with quotation marks. And then here, everything is generated for you. You can copy out that list and paste it into a program, or you can download the list as well as a text file and put it in wherever you need it. So that is how to geo-target multiple ISPs at the same time.